Our planet, 7 billion inhabitants, creating a lot of data. A lot. One problem: where do we store all of that data? We are rapidly approaching the physical limits of how much data can be written on a single hard disk platter. Let's take a closer look. On a conventional hard disk drive, data is written in tracks. The closer the tracks, the more data you can fit on a platter. Using today's perpendicular recording technology, data is written in tracks only about 75 nanometers wide, smaller than a flu virus. But we've hit the limit. If we're going to increase the amount of data that can fit on a disk, we need a new approach. Introducing Seagate's Shingled Magnetic Recording, or SMR. SMR is a breakthrough technology that allows for greater capacity, which means more data can be written on a drive without increasing size or form factor. Instead of laying tracks next to each other, we overlap them, much like shingles on a house. With this technique, we increase capacity by 25%. 25% more capacity means hard drives with the lowest cost per gigabyte and capacities of 5 terabytes and beyond. Launching a bold new approach to the hard disk drive. Same size, more data. Seagate's Shingled Magnetic Recording Technology. Shipping now. Seagate. Storage for life.